Welcome back. This video contains a summary of things that we have learned in this section, and finally, we have a short challenge for you guys. So, we started by creating our header component. So, for that, we separated the header text and everything inside the header component. Next, we added a logo for our application. We downloaded the image from the internet and saved it. We used paint.net to remove the background of this image. We also saw that we cannot remove the background from JPG images because background is automatically added in case of JPG images. So we changed the extension of our image to PNG image and removed the background using the paint.net. Next, we added a sidebar to our application. So we created a toggle button for the sidebar. So sidebar is displayed whenever the toggle button is clicked, and if sidebar is visible and we click the toggle button, sidebar disappears. Next, we created a hamburger icon for our sidebar. To create the hamburger icon, we have used three divs and added the styles to these divs. We have set the height and width of these divs, and all these three divs are contained inside a parent div with the style properties as the display is flex and the flex direction is column. So these divs are stacked in a column. And finally, we set the property to justify content space around. So there is a space between these divs. So this looks like a nice hamburger icon. And finally, we added the functionality to this hamburger icon and moved it to a separate component. So the challenge that I have for you guys is that you have to change the position of this icon that we have added for our application and this hamburger icon which is used to toggle the sidebar visibility. You have to switch their positions and also you have to move the sidebar from left to right. So this button will be on right side, this icon, and whenever you will click this hamburger icon, the sidebar should be displayed on the right side. In next video, we will learn about how to access the server. So right now we have hard-coded these to-do items inside our application. So next we'll learn about how to get these to-do items from server and whenever we create a new to-do item and add it to the server. For example, if we create a new to-do item here, the item is added here, the completed count is increased, but if I refresh the page, it is changed back to 3. So we would learn about how to fetch the to-do items from a backend server and how to add the to-do items in a server.